How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday we showcase a particular single section. And this Sunday, you're in for a special treat. It goes by the Platinum Frio. What's so great about the Frio is it's for the client who is not so thrilled about downsizing to the park model size and being under the 400 square foot, but still want a home that's not so much maintenance and is right under 1,000 square feet. This home is a little over 700 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and it has an open concept to make it feel very large. As you guys see right here into the open concept, you have the living area. What's so great about it, you got enough space for furniture, couch, chairs, whatever you want to decorate it with. And then also you got a nice wood burning fireplace, excellent detail in this room, and it has a shiplap accent up above. What I like about it is that it has a little wall for a little separation into the kitchen, but the rest of the area is wide open to make it feel open and airy for you. You also have enough space right here for a dining room table. That's very important when it comes to a single section home, is to being able to have enough space for a dining table. You guys walk over here and you'll see we got the nice open kitchen as well with a ton of countertop space. We went with the white cabinets to kind of accent the stained southern yellow pine. Really pops, really looks great. Guys, enough storage space around here. Everybody loves the farm sink. We added it again right here with the window up above. You got the smooth top oven, and you got the nice microwave up above that. And you'll see we got the side-by-side refrigerator. Just an abundance of countertop space, and then also the shiplap backsplash going throughout. And guys, if you follow me, we'll take it on back, and you'll see that we have another exit door right here, or entry. So guys, if you're out in the yard, you get dirty, you don't have to track your mud back through the house, you just come right into the bathroom. You guys follow me in here, and you'll see why this bathroom is very popular. We've got a nice shower right here to the side, and you'll also see we have dual sinks. So we got the double sinks right there, plenty of storage right here onto the side. And what is that? Even more storage, guys. And remember, when you go with Platinum, you get the solid doors, guys. This is perfect. Very durable, very strong. Got enough space right here also with the connections for your washing machine and dryer. So it's out of sight, out of mind, gives it a perfect space for its own. You guys follow me back through, and we'll go back to the master. And you'll see right here, we kept the shiplap accent going. Got a whole shiplap wall right here. Really pops. That's what's in right now, guys, and you guys love it. You'll see we got enough space in here for a king-size bed. Then also, you have the dual doors for the dual closets as well. You got his and hers, guys, on both sides. You already got the mounts right there for your TV on the wall. And what is so great is that we always cover up the electrical panel. We don't even, guys, we even add the little touch for that as well. We go the extra step here at RRC Rockwall. And you guys follow me back through, and you see the Frio, how you get the open concept, half cabin, half contemporary, the perfect mixture of everything that you need, guys. You see right here, we're going to end it right here into the living area, because that's where you're going to spend most of your time in this home, guys. It's perfect for your next cabin, for your next forever home. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. And this is the Frio. And you guys come to RRC Rockwall and ask me about it. You have a great day.